Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I thought it would be fun to give you guys an interior tour of my minivan as I'm currently sitting in it, relaxing in it, camping in it, traveling in it. Because even though I've given you guys like plenty of tours of my van itself, I've never really sat in here while I'm in the midst of an adventure and shown you guys everything. So we're going to dive right in. First at my feet is Winston. He's chilly this morning and tired, so he's in bed with Mama. But this is his bed next to mine, so he can lay here. I have plenty of blankets and stuff for him. That's his cozy, safe spot. But as you can see, it is my third row seat, so it can also be used for a passenger or even me if I want to sit there. But I like sitting on my bed, which is where I'm currently sitting now. So this is how I often sit when this is always how I sit in my van. So I work here, read, write, color, do all of my things just in bed here. I can pull out my table. So this is my collapsible bamboo table that I have. So I do have that. Winston's turtle toy that I bought him yesterday. And then I have my USB light that I can move, but it usually just kind of sits right there. And all my special little art things and stickers that make my van feel homey. So I have all of those things. Then when I drive, I keep my Jackery plugged in the wall there. Now this is a massive, crucial part of my van because this is like my livelihood. Over here is this little corner. So down here I have a little organizer that holds my laptop, my notebooks, I have coloring books, I have wipes, and then like some chargers. So those things. Ibuprofen, hair tie, I have like pens, some electronic things in here, a notepad. Here's my mobile booster. I also have my level, so to see if my bed is level. I have my little cup from Miami Beach, and then it just has like some things in it, nail clippers and stuff. This little thing Anais got me, or gave to me, and I freaking love it. It has cats on it. I don't have anything in it yet, but it's just cute, so I keep it there. And then at the top I keep like my keys, water, tablet, typically my phone tripod and my phone. And then next to it, I keep down at the floor, there's my Jackery and my Rock Pal. So I have those two things to charge, those two power stations right next to me. So everything that I need that's like super crucial is right next to me that I use on a very regular basis. So in front of me, that's my Hygiene Caddy. So I can always access my hygiene stuff, my personal stuff. It's all in there. And then I have wipes, my bath sponges, and just some other utility items that I can access from inside my van. On the top in that bin, I have a jacket, a hat, and then Winston's items. So Winston's treats and bones and things like that I can access from inside or outside my van as well. Now, in the drawer system, I do have my clothes and my coffee, but if for some reason I'm going to be in inclement weather, I can take those things out and bring them into my van. But I typically have to get out of my van anyways because I have Winston. So I just access my drawers from the trunk, which is not a problem. So I do have my toilets covered right now. And then Winston's water bowl. My fridge is right here, so it can act as a kind of a table of sorts, but then, of course, I can access all my food, and then I can use this floor space for my cooking table. I often take my toilet out when I'm camping and things like that because I just like to use it outside, and then it frees up the floor space. So the toilet is really versatile. It can go inside or outside of the van, and I have plenty of videos on that as well. So I also have this hanger on the back of my seat. It is a very underrated piece of equipment in my van. I've had it for over 2 years. I've had it for 2 years now. And this just has bags, toilet paper, wipes, hand sanitizer, my headlamp, Winston's bowls, all of those other necessities that I also use on the regular. And then in my front seat right now is just my purse. I have my Blue Eddy on my front passenger seat floor. And then that's where my litter goes as well. So everything that you see in my van right now, this is a basic setup. Now outside my van, I only have my chair and my water. That's it. So the water goes on the passenger seat floor, and then the chair goes in the rooftop box. So if there are things that you're like, oh, where does Amanda keep her 2-burner stove or her camp chairs or her privacy tent or things like that, it's all in my rooftop box. So this was really an all-inclusive tour of how I live inside my van on the regular. So all the big stuff is in the rooftop box. But I hope that this was kind of helpful to you, so you can see kind of what I do at night when I'm chilling and relaxing. I often just kind of put my tablet up, watch my movies and my shows. I'm into a lot of like true crime, and then of course my fellow YouTube van lifers I watch. And then I just, like I said, color, read, write, and like play word games and things like that as well. Keep my brain fresh. So thank you in the meantime for watching. I appreciate you guys. Oh, don't forget to see my pretty ceiling flowers. I love all my little things. I often use my imagination at night and put on some white deep space galaxy noise and pretend I'm in a little hippie space capsule and orbiting the Earth. Wouldn't that be cool? You're never too old to use your imagination, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Winston and I will see you next time.